Question number 28. Interference fringes of separation x, which means what? Fringe width is given, are observed on a screen at a distance of d, capital D of 1 meter is given, from a double slit that is illuminated by yellow light of wavelength lambda 1 is given. Okay. At which distance from the double slit interference, at which distance, which means what? He is asking you once again d2. Okay. So therefore this should be d1. Of same separation, beta is not changing. Be observed using blue light of wavelength, lambda 2 is changed. So when lambda 2 is changed, then definitely I need to move the distance between the slit and the screen. So what is the distance? So how is beta related to all these parameters? Fringe width beta is given by lambda capital D divided by small d, right? So therefore now I can now write this should be equal to lambda 1 d1 divided by d1 should be equal to lambda 2 capital D2 divided by d2. Now d1 and d2 are same. I am not going to change anything here, right? So d1 and d2 are same. So same slit. So therefore this 2 goes away here, and thus what we have here, we have lambda 1 d1 should be equal to lambda 2 d2. What is lambda 1? Lambda 1 is 600. 600 into d1. d1 is 1 is equal to what is lambda 2? 400 into d2. Simple comparison problem. So d2 should be equal to, so this double 0, this double 0 goes away, 6 by 4, which should be equal to 1.5 meters, right? 1.5 meters, answer is D.